Hey, what's going on guys? This is Kedar here. I was trying to play Valorant, but I'm getting this error VAL46. So why we are getting this VAL46? Today in this video, let's check out the exact solution, what you can do about it, the latest update from Valorant, let's check it out, all the details. Alright guys, so I was checking out onto the Twitter to see what's really going on with the Valorant, and here you can see guys, Valorant is down for maintenance and Rocket League servers are down completely. Valorant servers are down another 6 hours. Valorant is down for me. Valorant servers down. So definitely guys, tons and tons of people reporting Valorant servers down. Many people can't able to play Rocket League as well. I mean 1944 outage reports. So guys, let's check it out. Does Valorant has to say anything about it? Do they got any update? So here onto the Valorant Twitter official page, let's check it out, the latest update. Alright guys, so let me show you some updates so you can get a pretty good idea. Now they will be introducing a new game mode, new agent, new opportunities to play your way and defy definition. So this is a major update happening into the Valorant, which will be pretty cool. And guys, do let me know what do you think about Deadlock. If you like the update or not, do check out their trailer onto their Twitter official page if you want to see that. And then let me show you what's really going on after that. And here you can see guys, they have introduced the Deadlock, the new team deathmatch and progression upgrade into the patch note 7.0. So this is a Deadlock new player, and they have got team deathmatch and progression system update. And then right after that, 1 hour ago, secure your future with Taste of Past, New Frontier hits your shop soon partner. So they'll be dropping out new stuff into the game as well. And then right after that guys, this is the latest update as of right now. Since they are implementing these important changes into the game, the servers are down. Once I get any latest details, I will get back to you. So guys, do let me know what you think about it. The Deadlock. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.